How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 71 Monte Carlo Resto-Mod. Super cool car. Show quality paint on it. Gorgeous car. It's got a 6.0 LS in it. Super neat car. The grill's all the original, it's all in good condition. Bumpers have been re-chromed. Car's real slick, flat, straight down the sides. Super nice car. Nice set of 10 spokes on it. Black vinyl tops, all new. All the trim on the bottom of the car is new. Original rear bumper's been re-chromed. Original taillights, excellent condition. Tell you, it's just a super cool car. Gorgeous burgundy metallic. I'm a fan of these Monte Carlos. Just super nice cars. Very nice. Built 6.0 in it. It's got all vintage AC and heat, aluminum radiator, everything. Firewall's all been smoothed. All stainless headers. It's got all tubular A-arms. Got QA1 coilovers all the way around. So all the jams on there are very nice. Got all new door panels in it, new headliner. It's got Dakota Digital dash, classic look. Very nicely done. Buckets with the center console. It's got a 4L60 trans in it. It's got a posi rear. It's got coilovers in the rear. Super nice car. All inside the trunk's nice. We do have a spare for it. We have a folder of paperwork. I tell you, this car is an absolute blast to drive. Thing makes about 500 horse. It's got a retrofit stereo in it. It's kind of bear with us, it's pretty chilly out today. Got all stainless exhaust. Got stage 3 cam and stuff in it. It's got the LS3 heads on it. Just a cool car there, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, and you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. That's just gorgeous car. little hard on the throttle. Have a great day, folks.